guys, so I've received this parcel today and I've been very kindly gifted this, and I'm going to be doing an unboxing. Oh, you can hear the ice cream man now. I'm going to be doing an unboxing or unwrapping of this and a try on of all of the items inside. So keep watching. What did I get? Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new to my channel, then you're very welcome here. It's lovely to have you tune in and watch this video, and hopefully you'll stay and watch the whole of the video. If you do and you enjoy it, I'd love it if you would give this video a thumbs up and then subscribe. Okay, so today, as you would have already seen, I've got a haul to show you. I was very kindly sent some clothes from, is it Rotita? I'm sure that's how you pronounce it, Rotita. They did say that I could choose so many items of clothing with a few extras in case some were out of stock, and then they could send an alternative of my choice. So that's what I did. Now I've actually been hanging on to this for a long time, several weeks. To be honest, I feel really bad that I haven't done it. But firstly, I'd like to say that the customer service at Rotita is fantastic. It really is. Sorry if you hear all the noise, I've got fans on everywhere. In the UK, it's stifling hot and we don't have aircon, so it's fans on everywhere, I'm afraid. But yeah, they sent me these clothes several weeks ago now, and their customer service is fantastic, because I did contact them back and say, look, unfortunately I'm not very well at the moment. I've got sort of problems with ovarian cancer and my stomach has become huge. And it's growing and it's growing and it's growing, and so I did try some of the clothes on, and of course they are far too tight around the tummy to do the clothes justice. So I did say to them, look, did they want me to either return them? Did they want me to wait until after surgery? But I don't know how long that would be until I'm able to fit into them again. Or would they like me to just do a review and hold the clothes up for you? And they're so lovely, honestly. The lady emailed me back and she said, your health is far more important than anything else. She said, just do whatever you're happy with. So I messaged back and said, well, okay, then I'll tell you what, I'll just do a review and hold everything up, you know, so that you can see it, so I can show it to you. And I just think that's wonderful, because they've sent all of these clothes, you know, for me to do a try on haul, and they're just so absolutely understanding. I'll show you a couple of things I've chosen first. I've got them all on the bed here. Okay, so I've got this little blouse. It is so lovely. I mean, you can see it's pink, it's flowery, it's lacy, feminine. You know, I was going to say typically me, but I don't mean that by the, you know, feminine. I mean by the, obviously I chose it because I love the colour. It's got a V-neck and it's got lace around the V-neck. I ordered this in a 2XL. Actually, I'm not going to be able to do this justice, I don't think. But I could, no, it's not going to do it justice if I put it on over the top. I can get this on, however, it's very tight across the tummy, so I'm not doing it justice. You can see, if I turn to the side, you can see how big my tummy is, can't you? So there we go, that's the first one. It's like that on the back. It's beautiful, and I really hope I get into this once I've had surgery. Okay, so this is 100% polyester, but to be honest, it doesn't feel like polyester. It feels beautiful. So yeah, that's the first one. And what I will do is I'll just pop a picture side by side somewhere on this video with everything I show you of the model wearing it, because you can't see me wearing it, so I'll pop a picture of the model wearing it. So that is the first one. Okay, now this one is a little bit different. Let me get it off the hanger, because it's very difficult to describe how this really fits. So it's a beautiful peachy apricot corally colour, absolutely stunning. It's more of a kind of a cruise ball gown. Look, I mean, look how big how full the skirt is in this dress. And if I show you this way, now this one I did try on, well, I've tried them all on, and this one I could get on, but I couldn't get it done up because it cinches in a bit in the waist, and of course with my stomach it won't go, but it crosses over, there we go, like that. So it's on you and it crosses at the front, it crosses at the back, and then it's got this lovely little sort of detail that's like, I don't know what you call it, almost like a little frilly cravatty thing that falls down the centre. It is gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. And let me see what the fabric is. This was a 2XL as well. Again, this is 100% polyester. It is so stunning. Can you imagine this when you've got, it's a bit awkward though, but can you imagine this when you've got your tan, and then at the back it's just got like an invisible zip here to the side, and then it's got a little tiny bit of elastication there, and it's so pretty. But you never know, if I can get into these things at some point, you might see them on me. Right then, so this one, guys, I can get on. It does need a little stud fastening there because of the boobs, but this one I can actually get on, apart from I put a little popper there. It does come with a belt, and it has like the little belt loops here. I absolutely love this one, so pretty. And so you've got your little tie belt, you know, and you can do whatever you want with the tie belt. Let me just lower it down. Right, so you can see a little bit more what this dress is like. Of course, you look at me sideways, yes, but I can get it on. Gosh, it is so uncomfortable, let me tell you. But other than that, I can get this dress on. And it feels gorgeous, it feels lovely, and it's so pretty. I would wear this, definitely. As I say, I just pop a little popper there, because obviously boobies and everything. You know, sometimes it's very difficult to go by the sizing of clothes, isn't it? They kind of give the measurements, but every item is like a different size. So I thought I ordered the right size, and I actually have. But some things have come up smaller in the bust, but then I suppose it's because they're more of a fitted item. But I love this, it's beautiful. Okay guys, so I've got this one on. This is so much more relaxed. It's like a t-shirt dress, really. It is clinging obviously to my problem area. It is clinging, but it's not tight or anything. It feels so comfortable. And I think this, I'd probably wear this more as, well, I'd wear it out and about, but I'd probably wear it more indoors as like loungewear, or on the beach if you're on holiday. Let me show you a little bit further down. Right, so this is what this one looks like. It's not restrictive. You can see there is so much room in this, and it's beautifully comfortable. Finally, something I can actually wear. Now this I cannot, because it really is dead tight across the stomach, but it's beautiful. It gives me absolute Austin Powers vibes. Look at this. Isn't it amazing? So it's this beautiful yellow, and then you've got the retro patterned. It's got pockets here at the side. It's got buttons at the front down to the waist. It's got a little belt, and it looks like that at the back. It is stunning. I love it. and I'm desperate to really be able to wear this comfortably. You know, I can get it to the bust and it's fine at the bust, but it's at the tummy. Oh my goodness. And you wouldn't think so because it looks like it's quite a full skirt, but it's quite fitted down to kind of like A-line down to where the skirt comes out. And again, I imagine this is probably polyester if I could find the label. No, can't find it, but I imagine it is, again, polyester, and it's beautiful. This one, again, I absolutely love, but again, the same problem. I mean, it's great on the bust. In fact, it's quite big on the bust, to be honest, so I'd probably wear a little bralette underneath it. The sleeves are really pretty. It's this lovely lime green and black, huge polka dots. It's very flary at the bottom, but it doesn't really flare out until it gets to a certain sort of part, a certain way sort of past your hips, and so this bit here is far too tight for me presently. It has a little self-tying belt, which is actually sewn, so you can tie it to the back or to the front. It's absolutely a stunning dress. I love it, and I'd say this is most definitely polyester. And it also has a little invisible zip at the side. Gorgeous, gorgeous. This one, oh my gosh, it's beautiful. It just gives me tennis vibes. I feel I could be at Wimbledon watching the tennis with a glass of champagne and a pint of strawberries and living my best life. I really do. But unfortunately, same thing as the other couple of dresses. Beautiful. It has a beautiful full skirt to it. You know, like when you were a little girl and you used to swirl around and your dress would swing out. Oh, that's what I imagined myself doing. Unfortunately, I can get it on, but again, it looks awful because of the way it just shows up. All these cysts I've got on my ovaries, so yeah, and it's got pockets at the side. It's just stunning. What a beautiful dress for a holiday or for a cruise. And it's actually full length on me, this one. I'm exactly 5 foot, and it is down to, not the ground, but to my ankles. Has a zip at the back. Oh, isn't it beautiful? I mean, their clothes. I have done a fair few clothing reviews on the channel. These have really stepped out of the water. These are fantastic. The way that they've been finished, the clothes have been finished, the attention to detail, it's amazing. And like I've already said, customer service, literally second to none. Fantastic, honestly fantastic. Right, next one. Okay, so I thought, oh, this is going to be lovely for the summer. And the top is absolutely fine, so maybe I'll wear the top with, I don't know, a little skirt or something. It is quite short, but there you go, you can sort of see where the bottom comes to. And of course, once it's on, it's even shorter. So it's not a crop, but it's quite a short top, but it's got the boobies inside, and you've got your little elasticated bit here, so you've got, like, you know, all the secret support there. I thought it was lovely. Gives me kind of tropical Caribbean vibes. And then I got these cycle shorts to go with it. They hurt. They fit. I can get them on, but they hurt across my tummy, which is such a shame because I love them so much. However, I'm hoping that once I've had my surgery, I can wear them. And then there's this one. So this is just like the pink one that I tried on just now, but obviously it's in the blue. It's exactly the same as, say, just the blue. So this one feels fantastic. Honestly, the blue one and this one, it's just like the lightest t-shirt kind of material, perfect for the weather here in the UK at the moment. So this one will be having a lot of wear, and thankfully I can get it on. It doesn't look great, I know. I can wear it indoors. Next one. Okay, this one, Now this is really, really pretty. So it's just a little kind of powder blue dress with a V-neck and plenty of room in the tum-tum here. Unfortunately, I can't get it over my bust. I cannot get this one over my boobs. I've tried, it's so sweet, and I suspect it would fit my tummy because there is a lot of room, and I think it would hang absolutely fine. I mean, but no, I can't get it over the boobs, so this time the boobs are the problem. And then last but not least is this one, and I absolutely love it. I love the whole tie-dye look, the colours, the pink, the blue, the yellow. It's so, so pretty. This I could wear probably even as a nightie, you know, if I wanted to. It's so cool, it's so light, it's lovely. This is what it looks like at the back. I will show you it further down. There we are, so this is it further down, and this one, because it's got so much fabric here and pleats here, it's so, so comfortable. Yeah, I love these ones with like the t-shirting material ones. They're just absolutely lovely, aren't they? And that brings me to the end of this review. Tell me which ones you thought were the nicest. I think my favourites, I love the Austin Powers, the Austin Power type one. Love it, but I can't wear it yet. I absolutely love the purple one as well. I love that one. I love, of course, these ones. In fact, I love all of them. Otherwise, I wouldn't have chosen them. So until I can actually start wearing them, I can't really say I've got a favourite. But yeah, lovely, absolutely lovely. Honestly, I will link down below should you want to go over to the website and have a look. They're always having lots of offers on there. Shipping was fairly quickly as well. Absolutely, as I say, customer service. I have never actually raved about a customer service of any company that I've done a review for like I do these, and I say that from the bottom of my heart. It's absolutely 100%. I mean, I don't think many companies would have said, look, you know, worry about your health first and just do what you want when you've got time. But I think a lot of companies would have said, well, are you able to return them if you can't do a review? I mean, it's just incredible. So I've done what I can as a review. I hope you've enjoyed it. It's a big thumbs up from me. I love it. I love the clothes, and I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, as I said, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and then you'll be able to get lots of updates about how my health's going, when my surgery is. My next update will be telling you what's happened since my last update. Yeah, it's quite a lot to talk about, so if you want to know more, subscribe. I'll talk to you later. Take care, everyone. Keep yourself hydrated in this weather. It's so hot here. Oh, gosh.